Place one index finger gently at the outer corner of your eye to anchor the skin. With your other hand, use a bent index finger to glide smoothly from that anchor point outward toward your hairline. Repeat a few times on both sides. This gentle glide releases tight muscle tension that causes crow's feet, boosts circulation, helps naturally smooth out fine lines around the eyes. Repeat on the other side. Place two index fingers gently under your eye. Massage in a small up and down zigzag motion, slowly working your way outward toward your hairline. Repeat this a few times on each side. This specific motion promotes lymphatic drainage to instantly depuff the under eye area while softening fine lines for brighter, naturally lifted look. Repeat on the other side. Place two fingers at the outer corner of your eye, resting right on the under eye bone. Gently glide your fingers away from each other in opposite directions. Repeat this a few times on both sides. Stretching the orbicularis muscles directly on the bone releases deep tension, which effectively smooths out stubborn crow's feet, prevents new wrinkles from forming. Use your index and middle fingers to anchor the skin gently on your upper and lower eyelids. With your other hand, massage your crow's feet using an up and down zigzag motion. Repeat this on both sides. This targeted zigzag friction breaks down deep, stuck muscle tension, stimulates blood flow, acting like a natural eraser for stubborn crow's feet. Place one hand gently over your crow's feet to anchor the skin. With your thumb of your other hand, massage the lower under eye bone area in a small circular motion, slowly walking your way up toward your anchoring hand. Repeat a few times on both sides. The circular thumb motion drains trapped fluid to instantly depuff under eye bags, while the anchor protects your skin from unnecessary pulling and stretching. Place one hand over your crow's feet area to anchor the skin. With your opposite thumb, glide smoothly from the inner part of your lower eye bone outward toward your anchoring hand. Repeat a few times on both sides. This sweeping motion irons out the under eye contour and sweeps away trapped fluid to reduce puffiness, while your anchor hands ensure the delicate skin isn't stretched. Place the fingers of one hand at the outer corner of your eye to act as a firm anchor. With your other hand, gently glide your fingers over your crow's feet, sweeping outward and upward toward your hairline. Repeat on both sides. This targeted upward glide provides an instant natural lift to the eye contour and stretching out stubborn fine lines while releasing deep muscle tension. Place both index fingers side by side right over your crow's feet. Massage using quick up and down motion, slowly shifting your fingers outward all the way to your hairline. This targeted friction technique throws out deep set wrinkles on boost blood circulation, helping to plump the skin, smooth the entire outer eye area. Anchor the skin by placing the index finger of one hand on your upper temple and the middle finger just below your eye. With the index finger of your opposite hand, gently massage the crow's feet area in small circular motions. Repeat on both sides. The V anchor holds the skin taut, allowing the circular massage to deeply release muscle tension, smooth out stubborn crow's feet without tugging at your skin. Place the fingers of one hand slightly above your crow's feet and other hand just below. Gently massage and then glide your fingers in opposite direction. One gliding up and one gliding down. Repeat a few times on both sides. This vertical stretching motion acts like an iron for your skin, directly smoothing out those crinkles while improving elasticity, deeply relaxing the eye muscles. Place the palm of your hand flat against your temple, gently holding the skin in place. Cast your gaze downward to the floor. Slowly blink your eyes open and closed. Repeat this a few times on both sides. Adding this gentle resistance while blinking straightens the delicate muscle of your upper eyelids, helping to prevent drooping and giving your eyes a naturally lifted, wide awake look. Gently pinch a small fold of skin at your outer eye using your index and thumb. Carefully roll that fold of skin outward toward your hairline. Repeat this a few times on both sides. This targeted skin rolling technique releases deep facial tension, boosts blood circulation, which helps to naturally lift the eye area and soften expression lines, crow's feet.